Hello everyone. We already know about Pascal's law, but you should also know that application of this simple law is enormous. You must have heard the term hydraulics. Hydraulic machines are machinery and tools that use liquid fluid power to do simple work. According to Pascal's law, the pressure applied to an enclosed incompressible fluid is transmitted unchanged to every part of the fluid. Here, there is a model of simple hydraulics that uses the principle. It is a U-shaped tube which has two arms and they are closed by two leak-proof pistons. Now here, the two arms have different cross-section. One arm has much larger cross-section than the other. So here, we say A2 is greater than A1, where A2 and A1 are the cross sections of the two arms of the U-shaped tube. Now, when we apply force which is equal to F1 to left piston, then it will create pressure which is equal to F1 divided by A1. As we know, pressure is equal to force by area. Now, the cross section of A1 is small. So, we can generate greater amount of pressure easily by applying a moderate amount of force. Now, this pressure will transmit equally throughout the fluid and reach the larger tube. Now, here in the larger piston, the pressure would be F1 by A1. So, the total force working on the larger piston would be F2, and force as we know is pressure multiplied by total area. Here pressure is equal to F1 divided by A1 and area is equal to A2. So what is F2? F2 is equal to force divided by area. So this becomes equal to F1 divided by A1 multiplied by A2. Now in case you have not noticed, the upward force applied on the second tube or the second piston is A2 times the force we applied on the smaller tube or the piston. So we see force gets multiplied many times. Thus, we can generate enough push to lift a heavy car by applying a much smaller downward push in the smaller piston, that is in the left arm. Thus, hydraulics is used to generate huge force by applying much smaller force in many heavy vehicles like bulldozers, trucks, etc. Hydraulic brake is used in heavy vehicles. Hydraulic lifts is used to lift heavy objects. So we see a simple rule can have such huge applications in real life. That's all for now. Bye bye.